Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and I want to share a valuable tip with you guys. Right now you're on YouTube watching this video, and YouTube's been an extremely valuable resource for me to learn, and it's probably a great resource for you guys to learn. You know, I've created this entire channel with all these different videos, and there's other channels out there that have videos as well. But there's another valuable resource that you guys need to know about, and it's on Facebook, okay? It's the Window Film Revolution group. If you go to Facebook, you can find window film groups, and you can get some really live action. We know the Window Film Revolution group, I'm part of that group, I'm proud to say, has, at the time this is being filmed, has probably close to 6,000 members of professional window tinters that are constantly sharing information. You can go in there and ask questions, or you can just sit around and watch what comes in. These professionals are posting videos, they're sharing information. It's all it's a private group. It's a controlled environment. You know, people are nice, people are sharing. This group is blowing up. If you guys want to get in on the action, I'm talking you want to get something even bigger than YouTube right now, go to the Window Film Revolution group. There's probably a link below or on the screen for you to get there. We will make sure that you get approved to be one of the newest members so you can begin to learn and share. Thank you.